Hello everyone, welcome. I am Orpheus, and we will be looking into some sequel. Oh, wait, I am listening to myself and this is driving me crazy. There we go. Okay, that's a lot better. Also, the music is a tiny bit loud for me, so let me turn that down. Okay. There we go. That's better. Hopefully. So yeah, we will be looking at some C code and learning about programming through it. We will be learning about all the basics of it in order to become better programmers. This is gonna be an introductory course, so do not be afraid. But also, even if you already know how to code, these are gonna be fundamentals. So if you, for some reason, only got into programming with more high-level languages, like JavaScript and such, this will be beneficial to you. The site that I'm gonna be using for looking at the C code is onlinegdb.com, as that offers a very easy way of just running some C code quickly. We will be starting after we hit the 2, like after it's 2 o'clock. I heard an alert, but I didn't see an alert. Okay, I think that needs to move to the top. Well then, I guess we will be only getting alert sounds. Hey! It actually updates live. Hey, Hike. Yeah. I had it under the main display, which in retrospect wasn't the smartest idea. How's the sound mixing? Cool. Hello everyone. I doubt anyone will stick, as Combat Glue was doing some games and we will be doing programming. But you're all most welcome. This is gonna be an introductory course, as I said before, but it's still gonna be helpful for anyone that doesn't have a lot of experience with fundamentals of programming. Keep in mind to press record if you're playing normal music, so we don't have muted VODs. Yeah, I'm recording anyhow, and this is stream safe music. I'm actually spreading you to people who are thinking of the program. Thank you, Arhanka. Yeah, Ninja Sex Party. They actually tweeted about it. I've retweeted it just so I can be able to reference it quickly. Combat Glue, you should be on top of this. But yeah, we are gonna get started at 2, since that's the advertised time and I don't want people to feel left out. Is it? Okay, so let me lower my output, because for me that is quite loud. Yeah, there we go. And let me up it up for you. Is that better height? Okay. Let me know if you would prefer it lower or higher. Just trying to not make it overbearing. Sharing the link again, and I'm gonna share it more times probably. Look into setting up a ducking for music. Audio ducking. Audio ducking. Let's look it up. When you're programming, a lot of what you do is just searching because other people have done what you're looking for. Audio ducking OBS. Those are some nice ducks, but I don't think that's what you meant. Then you can have higher volume on music, but when you talk, it gets... Aha! I see. Yeah, but I like listening to the music, but I don't want it too loud, like that was my biggest problem. Audio ducking. That's for our sake, not yours. Okay. Auto duck in real time. Wow. That's from 2014. And the latest update is 2018. So, word to the wise, when you're using any tools, make sure that they are regularly updated. Otherwise, you're up for some surprises. Yeah, so I'm gonna look into that. Okay. Is it a built-in feature? Sure, sounds good. Thank you. Stream tips. A lot of people might benefit from that. Thank you. You can't hear the fun noise, can you? Nice. RTX voice doing its work. Hello, B. Welcome. How has your research been going? Yes. You wanna see the sub GIF? Yeah. Weren't you looking into some, what are they called? The thing for painting? An airbrush? We will never know. Oh, squids. I already did some airbrushing today, then my gun died. Nice. Isn't it like always when you're trying to do something important that your tools just decide to... Everything dies. Hello, Rin. The choice of using a cheap airbrush, about half a new compressor. I should have a new compressor and airbrush come this week though. Nice. I really like the covers of this band. The speed Yep, I can attest to that. Our only native English speaker here. Flubting. Please explain. Supposedly. We will see. Let me link you that tweet actually. Is that true or are you fibbing us, BLCB? Oh, there it is. Oh yeah, so A, you can just see it. There we go. Wow, I overdid it. There we go. And we can share it, right? No? How do I tweet? I don't know. But you can just search for them and you will find it. You'll be able to play whatever music you want, but you can't upload to YouTube or anything with that stuff. Supposedly with them you can. But we will have to wait and see, don't we? So yeah. Anyone else feeling like chatting, or should we get into business? Hike is excited. 2020 is the year that Ninja Sex Party is gonna be all over the internet. I'm gonna be concentrating. I needed the time. Yeah. Plus, they are like creating covers of good songs, and they're doing a good job of it. So that's nice. So, we will be looking into the programming language C. C is one of the oldest languages that are still in use today, and that are very current in the sense that it is widely used. So if we look it up, actually, C programming language. We can see that it first appeared in 1972, 48 freaking years ago. And it had a latest release in 2018, so just a couple of years ago. That doesn't mean that it is dead in updating, but C is proud of being extremely stable and backwards compatible. So you could take almost any C code and compile it from any year, and it would work. Obviously, there are some caveats, but it is one of the most stable languages out there. On top of that, it's one of the most performant languages out there, in the sense that a program written in C will be in general much higher performance than one written in Python and the like. So that is why it is used a lot in embedded systems, so systems that have limited resources or that have mission critical information or need to work in almost real time, though for real time operations we usually have very RTOS specific stuff. But it does have almost everything that there is to know about programming. And it's all on a very, very basic level if you just want to know about them, which is what I think makes it a really good starter language. If you know C really well, you can very easily translate that knowledge to another language. So when someone tells you, do you know language X? You can very easily learn language X in just a matter of a week or so.